How to fix you can't make this change at the moment Facebook error message displaying on your screen. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can remove your error of appearing, how you can't make this change at the moment, the text appearing on your screen while you're trying to use the two-factor authentication. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So usually that kind of error message appears on your screen when you're trying to log in into a new device and you're trying to enable the option of two-factor authentication, but due to the new device, Facebook is not being able to recognize you. So it is giving you this error message how you are not able to make any change at the moment. So here what you can do is in order to fix it, the very first thing is just open up, you may just uninstall the application from your device and reinstall. For that, you may just simply long press on it, and here you can see this disable option. So you may just disable. After that, you may just go to Play Store option, and you may just go to Play Store here. After going to Play Store, just search for Facebook. Search for Facebook here and tap on install. After the installation is complete, I want you to go with the further process of two-factor authentication. Simply open your Facebook. After that, navigate to your profile. Here tap on menu bar and here tap on settings. After going to settings, you just need to go further with the process of two-factor authentication and see if that method works or not, if that error message appears again or not. Another method is you may just get to Instagram and link your Instagram account with the Facebook in order to not receive any kind of those messages on your screen. So for that, you may just simply open your Instagram. After going to your Instagram, simply go to your profile. After going to your profile, I want you to tap on this menu bar and here also navigate to your account center. After going to your account center, simply tap on your account center, and here I want you to go to your profile. So here simply go to your profile, and even if you may not have your Instagram account, you may just create an Instagram account temporarily for that moment in order for you to enable the two-factor authentication onto your account. Simply tap on add account and add your Facebook account here. You can see this add Facebook account. Simply tap on add Facebook account. After adding your Facebook account, just get back, and here you may just go to password and security and set the two-factor authentication on your Instagram, which will automatically set the two-factor authentication on your Facebook as well. So just like that, you may fix your account, can make the change at the moment error happening on your Facebook profile. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.